Last week, we released a major new update to Mailflow, and in this video, I'll walk you through the most important changes. The biggest update that you should know about is the new overview page. Here you can see all of your tasks at one single page without having to click in and out of every project. You can also see all of your notes and your entire schedule for the next couple of weeks. Another thing we have done is to greatly improve the focus of the inbox sidebar. The new inbox sidebar only shows you the essential things you need to move your projects forward. In other words, we only show you outstanding tasks and upcoming deadlines. You might wonder where your notes and highlights went, but don't worry. We have safely moved them to the overview page that I showed you before. You can still find them in your projects, and you will still see them whenever you open an email with notes or highlights. For the thread sidebar, we have made it easier to see which items that belongs to the thread and which items that belongs to the project. Lastly, we have added some powerful filtering options. Now you can finally sort your tasks on due date, or choose whether to hide or show your completed tasks. I would love to learn what works and what doesn't work for you, both in regards to these latest updates or to Mailflow in general. So if you have any questions or feedback, you can send me an email at this address, henning@getmailflow.com.